Who's opening hers now? Is that your first Sienna present you're opening, Boo? What do you think it is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Here, let me put this over. I'm sorry, baby. I know, this is so annoying.
Come on, Bo, keep going.
Can't get the ribbon off.
I'm gonna help you.
Here. You cut it?
Let Mom cut it.
There you go, you did it.
Hello.
I know, Jake, I know. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay, thank you. Jake, we're almost there. You should have unwrapped this a little bit.
Yeah, should have just put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Oh well. Next year.
Whoa, Jake. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
I'm almost opening.
You're almost opening yours? All right. I hope Sienna knew just what to get.
I didn't like this fire, should I?
Yeah. Why not?
Look what I got.
Oh my. Oh, 2 little tiny pods.
Whoa.
Oh, look, Bubba, look. It has a little tiny bottle, a little tiny passy.
It had a little tiny bottle and a little tiny passy.
Boo Bear.
Papa. Look at I
Babe,
got 2 little
The battery on this thing's about to
Okay.
go.
Should we light this?
It's freezing in here. Turn the heat on or turn the fire on. I mean, I'm cold. I don't know about anybody else, but
Okay, the trick with the video camera is not to make the videos too long. Like each individual video should just be a couple minutes short. Don't do it for like 20 minutes in a row. So stop it.
where's the stop button?
The red button.
I pushed it, but it's not stopping.
Oh, aren't they now?